Ranveer Alabadia and Apurva Mukhija are once again in the middle of a heated controversy. This time, both popular digital creators are facing serious legal trouble. Recently, Mumbai Cyber Police revealed that both Ranveer and Apurva have shown signs of non-cooperation in the investigation regarding the viral roast show India's Got Latent, and now the police are even considering legal action against them. So yes, this controversy just got deeper. So what exactly is the case? Why are they under scrutiny, and how did it even reach this level? Well, let's rewind a bit. A few weeks ago, Ranveer and Apurva appeared as guest judges on a YouTube roast show India's Got Latent, you all know. While the format of the show was meant to be humorous and edgy, it crossed a major line during one particular segment. Ranveer made an extremely vulgar remark aimed at a female participant, and Apurva too chimed in with comments that were considered distasteful and sexist. The clip from that episode started circulating on social media like wildfire. What followed was an immediate public backlash. People were not just angry, they were disappointed, especially since both creators have massive youth followings and are looked up for motivation and creative insight. Soon after the video went viral, the issue caught national attention. FIRs were registered against them in several places, including Maharashtra and Delhi. But the turning point came when the National Commission for Women stepped in. The NCW took serious note of the vulgarity and issued summons to both Ranveer and Apurva. In response to the outrage, both creators did appear before the commission and submitted written apologies. Ranveer publicly admitted that he made a mistake, stating, "This is the first and the last time such a thing has happened. I will be more careful with my words in future." The commission accepted the apology but didn't go soft. They warned that public figures need to be more mindful of their influence and content, especially when it involves women and youth audiences. Even after the apology, the legal process didn't stop. The matter reached the Supreme Court, which commented on Ranveer's remark, calling it vulgar and reflective of a problem mindset. Though he was granted protection from arrest, the court imposed several conditions like surrendering his passport and maintaining conduct going forward. As for Apurva Mukhija, she also appeared before the police and gave her statement. So far, she hasn't made any detailed public response, but her involvement in the controversial episode has placed her under the same spotlight. Now, weeks after this whole storm began, the cyber police have said that despite being summoned, both influencers have not cooperated adequately in the ongoing probe. Their alleged lack of response has compelled the police to consider further legal action. That's where we stand today. Both Ranveer and Apurva could be looking at extended legal consequences if things don't clear up soon. This controversy has reignited a larger conversation about influencer responsibility. With digital creators now enjoying celebrity-like fame, the lines between freedom of expression and accountability are under tighter scrutiny than ever. It's no longer about just content, it's about conduct. Because when millions are watching, what you say isn't just content, it's influence. And influence comes with responsibility. So will Ranveer and Apurva be able to bounce back from this? Or will this controversy become a long-time dent in their digital careers? But what are your views on both of them? Share in the comments and subscribe the Free Press Journal for more such updates.